I'm posted in DTLA. Check it out. Right here, pull up to Chito Ranas concert. I'm about to pull up to the Chito Ranas concert right now in DTLA. I'm pulling up solo. Okay. I need to get my mind off a lot of shit. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, I'm gonna pop out once I get in there. Right at the concert, check it out.
Do not snap. You're so close to not, you know what I'm saying? Don't fuck it up. 1, 2, 1, 2. We got Babyface coming to the stage. Everybody tell everybody, say fuck guys, put your hands up with a middle finger straight up. Fuck guys.
Fuck guys.
Fuck guys, you know?
Tell them niggas stop hating on me, nigga. Watch your face, don't watch me,
Watch
nigga.
us, don't watch us. Yeah. Let's go. Stop hating, son. Go.
Tell them niggas stop hating, nigga, get though. I be in the hood, really trying to take it back, bro. Niggas on that shit, but they ready on that gang shit. Bees on my shit, never tell that bitch take through. Why she is in the road? You don't know it like no. I done played many money more without no. Gotta get my nut up, then I gotta get back.
Let's go.
Everything in the air. That money gonna come out for the shit in the air.
Hey. Let's go. Come on.
Do that little 1, 2. 1.
LA, I need you to make some fucking noise for Chito Ranas in the fucking building. Let's get it.
Represent myself.
Turn it up, let's go. In this life, not everything is what it seems like. Everything is nice. Come on.
We ain't gonna have a concert.
That nigga need a doctor.
You was not my enemy.
You was not a doctor.
Nigga shot at me.
At first, but the clock goes way faster.
Let's
He's a pussy, he was high cause he got stripes. Nigga, I'm a general in the hood, I got stripes. Niggas in the courtroom, I was fighting for my life. He tried to start the ambulance, he was trying to first fight. I'm the mother than me, you know I had it. I'm the red one, call girl, secret If you know this shit, sing it with me, let's go. Hey, my godson is right here. Who's on? Slide pencils back to back. That nigga died tonight. Always keep a pistol. I'm too family just to fight. Nigga, I go fast. This is short.
Mis cadenas y me gusta que le enseñen. Somos gente de palabras, soy un gallo en el palenque.
La 40 dijo.
Los mandamos pa' pasión. Mis respetos pa' mi padre, saber que soy chingón. Y poner el 15 puesto cuando salgo para el show. Para mis enemigos yo le mando esta canción. I got diamonds on my rollie, I got diamonds on my Cardi. Every time I'm spending money, I got niggas feeling salty. They got for my father, I done everything he taught me. Once again. Once again. If you really love me, then I hope you said a prayer for me. So my soul that they can hear, I hope that you still care for me. Never had nobody, so this music shit my therapy. I was ugly, had no money, then I see the clarity. If you really love me, then I hope you said a prayer for me.
All day. I love every single one of y'all niggas for thanking you for supporting me, you feel me? Every single one of you guys is amazing. I hope. Make some noise, LA, for Chito Ranas one time. I wish I could stay all night and perform for y'all, but yeah.
Got out the concert right now. I pulled up solo. Shit, me and my lady, you know, I don't know what we've been going through, but whatever. Again, I came solo and shit. Fuck it. So this is after the Chito Ranas concert. I pulled up on my own, and it be like that. Sometimes I be with a bad bitch, my bad bitch, and I'll be solo sometimes. You know, I'm in a weird relationship right now. I don't even know, but freaking sometimes we be solo. But thank God everything's going good. I got court next week. And the day after that I got my state barber exam. So I've been cutting hair for like a year now. One of my homies actually, Isaac, and my other homie Trap, they cut Chito Ranas up. I think my homie Isaac cut him up today for the show, I believe. Right there in Boyle Heights. But everything's going good. I think positive, thinking big. Everything's gonna go good for court and my state exam, my barber. I'm gonna pass that shit. I'm on ankle monitor too, like that's why I've been posting lately. Gotta charge that shit fucking every day. When you're on the ankle monitor, you gotta charge that shit. But yeah, I wanna post more. I'm gonna post more. Like, I wanna go to nicer restaurants. I wanna get a better car. And I just wanna stay positive, man. Stay positive and think big. I was living in Lancaster for 8 months, a couple months ago. That shit was a trip. But going back to the concert, that shit was cool. He performed a couple songs. Pa' mis enemigos, that was good. Some new ones. He did like 8 songs. G Baby 2, he was cool. But Chito Ranas, that shit was lit at the Novo. I remember I watched Suede like 3 years ago right here, man. R.I.P. Suede. That shit a trip how we gone now, you know? But yeah. But that's the end of the vlog. It was quick. I don't even know I was gonna go, but make sure y'all tag Chito Rana so I could get an interview. I could get an interview, give him a haircut too. I cut hair. But I'm trying to get an interview. Tag him so I could post it, you know. Give y'all guys content. It was a cool concert at the Novo. Tickets were cool. And shit. I wish y'all nothing but success. Think big and make sure y'all stay. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Good looking.